Hey guys, welcome to the Multifamily Mastermind. Again, thank you guys for joining this group, and don't forget to provide value to everyone so we can all learn and grow together. Wanted to try something a little bit differently today. I called this a quick learn. I actually started this with my first, the mastermind that I held on February 22nd. I had a PowerPoint presentation, so actually I did this there and thought it would be something of value that I could provide to the group. So this is called a quick learn. So what is NOI? NOI is the net operating income. And what that means is you take the annual income minus the annual expenses, and that equals the NOI. And you may ask, well, why is this number so important? Is because the power of multifamily is in the NOI. So if you raise the NOI, you can actually force appreciate the property and raise the value. So actually you can just make more money. So that's how it's powerful. So here's a quick pop quiz if you guys want to do this. What is the NOI with the below example? Again, remember, annual income minus annual expenses. So the annual income in this example is $100,000, and the property's annual expenses is $40,000. It's actually really good, less than 50%. So what would the NOI be? Give you guys a few seconds if you want to comment below or in this video. And here's the answer. Ding, ding, ding. The NOI is $60,000. So thank you for joining me for this quick learn. Again, if you guys have any questions, just let me know, or if you want to provide value in the multifamily mastermind, thank you for your time.